Hey there, festival lovers and adventure seekers, welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where today we're diving into something truly special. Have you ever wondered what makes small-town festivals the heartbeat of American culture? Those hidden gems that tourists drive right past on their way to overcrowded city attractions. Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on an unforgettable journey. There's something almost magical about turning onto a main street that's been transformed overnight. The familiar storefronts now draped in bunting, local families setting up booths that have been part of their legacy for generations, and that unmistakable aroma of kettle corn and barbecue mingling in the air. These aren't just events. They're living time capsules of American tradition that continue to evolve while honoring their roots. Small-town festivals offer something increasingly rare in our hyper-connected world, authentic community experiences that haven't been manufactured for social media. Let's be honest, big city festivals have their appeal. They're flashy, heavily marketed, and feature headline acts that draw massive crowds. But they also come with astronomical ticket prices, hour-long lines for overpriced food, and the constant feeling that you're missing something better happening elsewhere. Instead of being one face in a sea of thousands, you're a welcomed guest. Instead of being nickel and dimed at every turn, you'll find reasonable prices and often free entry. Rather than manufactured experiences designed for Instagram, you'll discover genuinely unique traditions that have evolved organically over decades. The connections you make are different too. At a city festival, you might briefly chat with the person next to you in line. At a small town celebration, you might end up being invited to dinner by the festival organizer whose family has run the event for 3 generations. These festivals honor the lifeblood of many small communities. From strawberry festivals in Florida to apple harvests in Washington, you'll find unique competitions like pumpkin boat races, corn husking contests, and produce growing championships. History comes alive when small towns celebrate their unique origins. Whether it's a Civil War reenactment in a southern town, or a living history pioneer day in the Midwest, what few travelers realize is that many participants have been perfecting their historical personas for decades, researching period-appropriate language, crafts, and cooking methods. This is where small-town America truly shines. Who else would create an entire festival around roadkill cooking, celebrate the migration of buzzards, or host competitive lawnmower races? Now that I've piqued your interest, let's talk strategy. Small-town festivals require a different approach than typical tourist destinations. Unlike major attractions that operate year-round, small-town festivals have brief windows, sometimes just a single weekend per year. Pro tip: shoulder seasons offer the highest concentration of festivals with the most pleasant weather. Here's something festival newcomers often miss. Small towns with populations of a few thousand might welcome visitors that triple their size during festival weekends. Consider these alternatives to chain hotels. Local bed and breakfasts often run by long-time residents with fascinating stories. The best accommodation strategy? Book the moment you decide to attend, or be prepared for a considerable drive from the nearest available lodging. When you attend a small-town festival, you're not just visiting an event, you're being welcomed into a community. Volunteer opportunities. Many festivals welcome extra hands, even from visitors beyond the fall foliage tours and coastal attractions. The Northeast harbors festivals that capture the region's unique character. The International Seaweed Festival in Maine celebrates this overlooked ocean resource with everything from seaweed art competitions to gourmet tastings. Southern hospitality shines brightest during festival season. Louisiana's rural parishes host some of America's most authentic Cajun festivities, where generations of families gather to celebrate traditions dating back centuries. America's heartland knows how to throw celebrations that honor its agricultural roots while showcasing surprising creativity. Iowa's tiny towns host competitive tractor pulls that have evolved into sophisticated events combining engineering expertise with agricultural heritage. The American West combines natural splendor with frontier spirit in festivals that capture its unique character. Wyoming's small towns host authentic rodeos where participants aren't professional athletes but working cowboys demonstrating skills they use daily. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest small-town fun. Hit the bell icon to get notified. What transforms a small-town event from mere entertainment into something culturally significant? It's the layers of meaning and community investment that might not be immediately visible to first-time visitors. Many small-town festivals showcase crafts and trades that are disappearing from everyday life. Blacksmithing demonstrations, hand quilting competitions, and traditional food preparation methods aren't just performances. They're crucial knowledge transfers happening in public. The Appalachian mountain communities host particularly valuable festivals where skills like split oak basket weaving, moonshine distilling, and banjo construction are actively preserved. The financial benefits of festivals extend far beyond the event weekend. Gilroy, California transformed itself from an agricultural community into the garlic capital of the world through its famous Garlic Festival. Now that you understand the cultural significance, let's make sure you get the most from your experience with these insider strategies. Veteran festival goers know that timing is everything. Early morning arrivals catch vendors setting up, often leading to conversations and behind-the-scenes glimpses that regular attendees miss. How you document your experience matters tremendously to small communities that welcome visitors. Different regions have distinct communication styles and cultural expectations. Being mindful of these differences enhances both your experience and how you're received. Let's explore how to maximize your festival experiences throughout the year. While many assume festival season hibernates during winter months, savvy travelers know this season offers unique celebrations. Spring festivals celebrate renewal with community traditions that welcome the growing season. Summer brings peak festival season across America, with options available every weekend. Perhaps America's quintessential festival season, autumn combines harvest celebrations with perfect weather. Small-town festivals offer unique benefits for families seeking meaningful experiences together. Unlike commercial entertainment that segments audiences by age, small-town festivals create genuinely intergenerational experiences. The best festivals incorporate learning so seamlessly that children don't realize they're absorbing valuable knowledge. For photography enthusiasts and documentarians, small-town festivals offer visual storytelling possibilities unmatched by other subjects. Food stands as the centerpiece of most small-town celebrations, but with dimensions visitors often miss. Many festival foods represent historical necessity transformed into celebration. Live performance forms the heartbeat of most small-town festivals, with varieties that go far beyond stage performances. The craft demonstrations at small-town festivals go beyond commercial transactions to preserve essential cultural knowledge. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest small-town fun. Hit the bell icon to get notified. As environmental consciousness grows, many small-town festivals are evolving their practices. For many small towns, festivals represent sophisticated economic development strategies rather than mere entertainment. The future of small-town festivals. How are these celebrations evolving to remain relevant while preserving their essential character? Digital enhancement without replacement. Technology increasingly supports rather than supplants physical gatherings. Augmented reality applications revealing historical context at celebration sites, digital documentation projects preserving elder knowledge for future generations, online communities extending festival connections throughout the year. These technological elements enhance rather than replace the fundamental in-person experience. Climate adaptation strategies. As weather patterns become less predictable, festivals are evolving their approaches. Flexible scheduling, accommodating extreme weather possibilities, infrastructure investments, protecting against both heat and precipitation, season shifting as traditional dates become less climatically appropriate. These adaptations represent community resilience in the face of environmental change. Inclusion expansion efforts. Progressive festivals are actively working to broaden participation while respecting tradition. Accessibility initiatives ensuring participation possibilities for disabled visitors. Cultural exchange components highlighting diverse community contributions. Economic access programs, ensuring festivals remain available regardless of income. These inclusion efforts strengthen rather than dilute authentic celebration by incorporating the full community spectrum. Festival etiquette, being a welcomed guest. How you engage with small-town festivals significantly affects both your experience and community reception. Participation versus spectation. The most rewarding festival experiences involve active rather than passive engagement. Accepting dance invitations even when skills are limited, volunteering for participatory elements like pie judging or parade assistance, asking questions during demonstrations rather than simply observing. This participatory approach transforms visitors from audience to community. Photography considerations. How you document your experience affects both your memories and community comfort. Seeking permission before photographing individuals, especially children, respecting ceremony restrictions on documentation. Offering to share images with subjects and organizers. Thoughtful documentation creates relationships rather than extraction. Supporting without overwhelming. Financial support matters but requires appropriate approaches that respect community values and ensure your presence enhances, rather than disrupts, these authentic celebrations. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that.